Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be hair related. It's going to be on how to clip in and style kind of clip in hair extensions. I know it's pretty basic, but I do get questions, and if you're not familiar with wearing clip in hair extensions, then it can seem really overwhelming. Me, I'm a professional. I think I've been wearing clip in hair extensions for almost like what seems most of my life. I just love hair extensions, so I figured I kind of just walk through and show you guys how I do it. It's super easy. I also wanted to share the hair extensions that I'm currently wearing. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see how I clip in my hair extensions, then just keep watching. So as you can see, I have no clip-ins in my hair. Now, my hair is pretty long. As you can see, it's just my sides, especially around my face. They just don't want to grow. I know it's a combination of using heat and being blonde. So I have a lot of short pieces around the front, but my back is pretty much just as long as these extensions that I'm gonna pop in. So these are the extensions that we are going to be popping in our hair today. They are from the brand BLL, and I just love the box. I love the color. It matches my beauty room, and I think I'm actually gonna use this box somewhere in this room because it just matches perfectly. I love it. So these BLL hair extensions come with a decent amount of hair. They come with 2 clips, which we are going to be using to section off our hair when I'm showing you how I clip them in. And then they come with 2 little backup clips, which is nice because say you have an issue with a clip, it falls off, or you want to add a clip somewhere, that's where these come in. I always like to save these. And now we will get into all the hair that it comes with. It comes with 2 4-clip wefts, and these will cover your whole head. So it comes with 2 of these. And then it comes with 2 of the 3-clip wefts. Let me just get them. Hold on. Comes with 2 of the 3-clip wefts. Then it comes with 2 of the 2-clip wefts. And it comes with 2 of the single-clip wefts, which I like. So it comes with a decent amount of hair, and I think I might try to use actually all of the hair today, so we'll see. This is what the actual clip and wefts look like. Now, these style clips, I prefer them. I really like them. I've had other clips before, and I just don't like them. The ones that look exactly like this, if that makes sense, are the ones that I prefer. They're very sturdy. They're very secure. I don't have any issues with them like floating around or coming off. And the weft is very nice, as you can see. And the quality of the hair is really nice. It's 100% human Remy hair. You can dye it or color it. You can use heat on it. And the thing that I really like about this hair is that the ends aren't like choppy looking or blunt, because I've gotten hair extensions before that the ends, they're just, it looks like they were chopped and it just looks so blunt and it doesn't blend well. These actually look really nice. So I really like this hair, you guys. And on their website, they have a wide variety of colors. They have ones with highlights, lowlights, ombre, and they have a wide variety of lengths. So if you're wondering, this is the shade Ash Blonde number 60. I typically will go for Ash Blonde number 60 or not platinum, Beach Blonde 613, but lately I've been doing the Ash. And I haven't had to put any lowlights in it because I think I'm a little blonder. Again, just disregard the roots. Not happy about that, you guys. This is like going on 7 weeks. So yeah, the quality is really nice. They have a wide variety of colors. This is 16 inches. Now, if I was gonna wear my hair curly, as you guys seen in other videos, I go for like 20 inches. But when I wear my hair straight, I like to go for about 16 inches because anything longer with straight hair kind of just doesn't look like natural in my opinion. But they do have a wide variety of lengths as well. So I did want to shout out the hair that I'm gonna be using today. It is BLL hair extensions. I will have them linked down below along with a coupon. Okay, so now for clipping in the hair extensions, we're gonna start by sectioning off the hair kind of by the back of the neck. I'm going to show you exactly. It doesn't have to be precise, but this is where we're going to clip in the 3-clip weft. We're just going to section it off with these clips. So that's kind of how much hair you want to have coming out. We're going to take this 3-clip weft and we're going to pop it like that. Now, one thing or one tip I want to mention is if you have really fine hair, or you do find that when you wear clip-in hair extensions that the clips either feel like they're tugging or they just don't stay, you can tease your hair where you're going to put the clips and even put hairspray in, and the clip will definitely grab onto that. I don't have that problem, but people that have like, you know, more, you know, thinner, finer hair, definitely something you might want to consider. So that is what it looks like. And I'll kind of just show you guys from the back. You can see, disregard my roots. I know they're really bad. So that's the first section we're going to do. And then next we are going to kind of section off the hair kind of by like the temples, if that makes sense. Ugh, I can't, you guys. Luckily in a few days I'm getting my hair done because this is pretty bad. Okay, so we are going to take and I know this looks funky, you guys. We are going, if I can just straighten that out, we're going to take the 2 clip wefts and we're going to go around the sides. So we're going to do this one first. Now, I don't go like really close to my face because you don't want to see it, A, and B, the hair can be a little bit thinner for everybody around there, so you don't want to have it tugging. So we're just going to clip the hair in on the sides like so. I know it looks weird, but it won't in a little bit. We're going to take the other 2 clip weft and do the same thing on the other side and clip it in. Okay, so next we're going to go in with this 4 clip weft, and I like to put this in the back of the hair, and it's okay if it overlaps the sides. It's totally okay. So I'm just going to kind of try to center it and clip it in, and it doesn't have to be perfect or precise. And when I'm done, I'll show you kind of like what it looks like from the back. I don't even know what it looks like from the back. It probably doesn't look perfect, but it doesn't need to look perfect. Obviously, we can go back in and like adjust everything. So I'm just gonna make sure that these center clips are clipped in. So as you guys can see, that's what it kind of looks like from the back, but I'm like already starting to put my real hair over it. So we are going to move on, and what I'm going to do now is take this out and see kind of how we're doing, and then we're just going to start to add pieces. This is where you can kind of, you know, totally customize the look depending on how long your hair is or how short your hair is. I need more help in the front, obviously, where my bangs are. So for the sake of today's video, I'm going to use all the hair that it came with. So I'm kind of just going to section off a little bit more, as you can see, and use these bigger clips. I would have wanted these first before the 2 clip wefts, but it's totally fine. And we're just going to clip these in around the head just to add more volume. And then I have a 4 clip weft here, and again, it's okay if it overlaps. It's definitely going to because this one's longer. I'm going to clip this one in kind of above where I did the 2 clip weft, like so, as you guys can see. And last but not least, I'm going to take these 2 single clip wefts and I'm just going to put them kind of up here, but I don't want to go too far up where it looks like there's a gap, so I'm just going to kind of go right here so it kind of falls where the 2 clip weft starts. But again, this is customizable depending on like what your situation is. I like to go up there because I do have the short pieces in the front, and it makes like such a difference just doing that with a single clip weft. So we'll do this one, and then afterwards I am going to go flat iron to kind of blend in the extensions with my real hair and come back and show you the final result and what it looks like from the back. So I quickly just went through with a brush and a flat iron. It took like 2 seconds to kind of blend my real hair in with the extensions, but I will say what I'm loving about these extensions is that as much hair as I have in my head, you guys saw me clip it all in, it doesn't feel heavy, and the ends are still like so, like they're not like bulky and thick. And I've had other hair extensions before where I would have clipped in this much hair and it just feels really thick. This just feels like my hair, but longer. I really like that. It's just really natural. It's not like a thick amount of hair. So I really do like that. I like that the ends are like, you know, they're just good quality and they're thinner. It doesn't look really bulky or thick. So I really do like that. I really like these hair extensions. Now I'm going to quickly show you what the back looks like. Now I will say that when you have these extensions and you figure out exactly where you want to clip them in your head, and you're going to keep that routine, then you can go ahead and kind of trim them so they're all one length, because I am placing some higher and lower, so you're going to see some kind of choppy levels going on. So I am going to do that after this video, but I did want to you know, mention that to you guys. But that's kind of what the back looks like. You can disregard my roots that you see because obviously my hair is overdue to be done, but it looks really nice. Again, it feels really nice in my hair. I like that it just feels really lightweight, almost just like my hair but a little bit longer. And again, if you guys are interested in these BLL hair extensions, I will have them linked down below. Would definitely recommend them. But anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below, do you wear hair extensions? Do you wear clip-in hair extensions? How long have you been wearing hair extensions? Do you feel like you might be a lifer when it comes to hair extensions? I love hair extensions. I've been wearing them, I feel like almost half my life at this point. I'm not really sure, and I feel like I might be a lifer when it comes to hair extensions, but that's totally okay. I just love hair extensions. How many times can we say that? But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.